Hi Magnolia, it's Miss Sima and it's time for OT group. We're going to make homemade Play-Doh with mom and dad while talking about the zones and sensory explorers. So let's get started. First, we're going to say hello by giving mom and dad a high five. Next, we're going to talk about our senses. So let's take some time to review. We see with our good eyes. We hear with our ears. Very good. We smell with our nose. That's right. We taste with our mouth. Very good. And we touch with our fingers. Good job, Magnolia. Next, let's talk about the zones. The blue zone is when we feel tired or sad. And the green zone is when we're happy or ready to learn. Yellow zone is when we feel excited or maybe a little nervous. The red zone is when we feel angry or we want to yell. And it's okay to be in all the zones. We just have to use the right tools to help us get back to the green zone. So this is our Magnolia toolbox where we learn about all our tools. So what zone are we going to explore today? The green zone. This helps us stay calm and stay focused and pay attention. And we're also going to use our fingers to touch to make homemade Play-Doh. Are you guys ready? To make the homemade Play-Doh, we need a cup of flour. Oh, I put it in my bowl. Half a cup of salt. And then we mix it together with a half a cup of water. Put your hands in and make the dough. Mix it up, Magnolia, mix it up. If you want to add a color, oh, it gets messy, so be safe. We can put 2 to 3 drops. I'm making mine blue. What color are you doing, Magnolia? Oh, here comes my Play-Doh, my blue Play-Doh. Wow. I can use the Play-Doh to help me feel calm and ready to learn at home. What are you gonna do with your new Play-Doh fidget? Let me know and send me a picture. So let's see where we are. So here are the ingredients if you need to write them down, and you can rewind to go back to when Miss Seema made the Play-Doh. So let's go over what we did in OT group today. Today in OT group, I explored water beads or Play-Doh. That's right, we did Play-Doh. I explored with my sense of touch or hearing today. I sure touched my Play-Doh. Good job, Magnolia. Did homemade Play-Doh make me feel happy or sad? It made me feel so happy to have a fidget at home I can play with. Great job, Magnolia. That's all for OT group. So today we'll be saying bye by giving mom and dad a high five. Okay, I miss you all, and I'll see you soon. Bye, friends.